That's the thing in question. If we draw a straight, a perpendicular line from the point of the contact where the circle and tangents are touches. Huh? If you draw a perpendicular line from that one, it must passes through the circle. Now, I have taken that, the extra cases, I have drawn two perpendicular lines. By knowing only, we can say that these two are not perpendicular lines. Then also I just consider this is also perpendicular line and this is also perpendicular line, so that these two lines will not pass us through the center. So it gives the meaning of that angle angle OPB is 90 degree by the theorem number 1, but angle O dash PB is also 90 degree because I have considered this as a perpendicular and which is not passes through the center, and which is not passes through the center. And also I have considered this line also. So O double dash PB, angle O double dash PB is also 90 degree because I have taken that line as perpendicular one. So if you give name, okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is not visible. Huh? Yeah, now, yeah. See, from equation 1, 3 and so equation 1, 2 and 3, all RHS are equal. If all RHS are equal, LHS must be equal, which means that angle OPB is equal to angle O dash PB, that is equal to O double dash PB angle. In ಮೂರು angles ಯಾವಾಗ equal? It is possible. It is possible only OP and O dash P and O double dash P, which means this, all three lines must coincide to each other. Coincide to each other. So when the coincide to each other, which means this line must lie on this line, as well as this extra line I have drawn, that should be lie on the same line, which means that there is no other line which is perpendicular from this point, which not passes through other points. Hence, we have proved that whatever the lines, how much, I have considered only 2 extra lines, but if you consider thousands of extra lines here, then also if those lines are perpendicular anta agbeku anta andre, those lines must coincide with this line, and this line is nothing but a radius. Only the radius which is perpendicular to a tangent at a point of a contact, and that line must passes through the circle, and that line is known as radius, guys. So ನಾನೇನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಹಿಯರ್, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್. So for that I have considered 2 extra lines, here one, here one. So this is also perpendicular, this is also perpendicular. If I consider, then the perpendicular means that should give 90 degree between them. So for that I got 3 different equations for 3 different lines. So all RHS must equal agbidu, then LHS must be equal. If LHS must be equal, it gives the meaning only possible when all 3 lines must coincide to each other. Coincide andre ondru ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದಬದಬಾರ್, you know that. Coincide andre not side by side. Coincide means one line ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು line. That is the coincide, the meaning of coincide. So only when all the 3 lines get coincide, then only it is possible, which means that we have proved ಏನಂತ, the statement, ಏನು statement, the perpendicular from a point of contact from a tangent is tangent, it passes through center of circle. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now. Okay, I give 2 minutes. Okay, you just consider this diagram. Okay, now this is O, A, P, B, ಇದು O dash, ಇದು O double dash. You don't consider this one. You take this diagram. Is that visible to you guys?
Yes,
Huh?
No, sir.
yes, sir.
ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? You
Sir, blur.
just make a auto rotation of your screen and you are able to see in full screen. You will be able to see. Okay, na? You just copy this one, guys. Take it to. Okay, guys. Somebody wants to say hi to. Okay, okay. Excuse me. Okay, guys. Hope you have completed. Let us begin the next question and let us answer. Yes. Okay. Completed. Can you recognize whose finger it is? Deepika. Unmute your audio and tell me. Can you recognize?
Kiran, sir.
Yeah. Yes, very good. ಸರ್ ರೌಫು ಇದು ಶಶಿ ಸೋಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಫೇಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಪಿಂಕ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ರೌಫ್ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು. ಫುಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾ ಫೈನ್. ನಿದಾ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಯು. ನಿದಾ ಸಂಬಡಿ. Hey, what they are doing? Hey, this class will be recorded, you know. I will upload to YouTube, guys. Okay, let us switch over to next question. See, next question is quite easy. Quite easiest question. You can do it yourself. You know, that question also quite easy. You can do it. Let us consider the question number 8, the sixth question and seventh question. Both are easiest thing. You can do it. Otherwise, I will post a solution to the group today evening. You can copy from that and quite direct questions and you can answer it directly. Okay, guys. Now, just consider the question number 8. The question number 8 says that a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to a circumscribe. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC, which means that a quadrilateral has been drawn. Hey, who's that? That means that a quadrilateral has been drawn such that circumscribe a circle inside it, which means that all 4 points, all four end points are the midpoints of the quadrilateral. The midpoints of the quadrilateral is touches internally to a circle, which means that you just observe the camera. There is a quadrilateral. Okay, now this is not a quadrilateral, it is a circle. I know that. See, okay. So this is C, and it is Q, it is R, and it is D, and it is S, it is A, and it is P, and it is B. Gotaita, guys? What I have to prove here? To prove that, wait, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ wait a minute, somebody has messaged me, not visible. See, now it is visible to you, Tejal Patel, Jayaj Patel. See, what I have to prove here? I need to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Which means that I have to prove that this side plus this side is equal to this side plus this side. And I need to prove control. Here it is PQRS. So with A, B, C, D. See, from the theorem 2, see, bada simple idu. Idrast easy proof innondu yadu illa. From theorem 2, what it says that from a single point, if we draw two tangents to a circle, from a single point, if we draw two tangents to a circle, then those two will be equal, alva. That is the theorem 2 says that. Hey, Drushya, Monica Kumare. Alene erase ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಾಳೆ. See, this is the D point. So, from D point, what I write it is dr is equal to ds. Everybody observing? See, if this is a point, this is also tangent, this is also tangent, starting from the same point and goes to the same circle, then these two will be equal. I have proved this one. Hello? Now see, from a point, see what it's CR is equal to CQ. Now see, from a point B, what it says? BQ is equal to BP. Next, from point A, AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. Alva? Nothing special here. I have followed only the theorem 2. What I do? 1, 2, 3. See, If these three equations are 1, 2, 3, then this must be 4. Alva. I simply, what I do, add 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 different small equations. I add, I add all the 4 equations. So what I get here, it is dr plus rc plus ap plus bp is equal to as plus ds plus bq plus ck. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. I have applied theorem 2 for all 4 points of the edge of quadrilateral. So since these two are the tangents which are started from the same point, goes to a same circle, so these two will be equal. So that I have written in 4 different equations. And after that I have added 4 equations. How to add? LHS plus LHS plus LHS is equal to RHS plus RHS. Now see, in this equation, what is dr plus rc? Here, Raufa, unmute your audio and tell me.
Sir,
What is dr plus rc? Dr plus rc. What it is?
DC.
Yes, very good.
Sir,
It is dc. Plus ck plus. Now see, ap plus bp. Pooja, tell me. ap plus
AP.
ab. Alva. Now here, as plus ds. ad. bq plus cq.
BC. BC.
bc. I have proved. Proved Allah? It is easy. Okay, fast guys. Within a minute, copy this one. Within a minute, copy. Fast. Okay, guys, next 9th question, you can do it yourself. But 10th and 11th, 12th, and 13th, if we complete these 3 problems, then this exercise will complete. Okay, now I will complete it on Saturday. Saturday, don't consider it as a physics class, consider it as a mathematics class, guys. So I need some extra speed to complete this exercise. So don't worry, Saturday I complete. Saturday I complete it. And one more thing, guys. Actually, yesterday I have given Saya Dayan. That's very good. Actually, guys, yesterday I have given one assignment to you, and everybody has completed and sent me. It's good, but the thing is, I think you know that the later news from the CBSE, in each subject, the 30% of the concepts has been reduced from the CBSE for your examination purpose. In that, the assignment which I was given yesterday to you people, see, the uses of concave and convex mirror, that has been reduced, which means that has been deleted from your syllabus. Okay, now, not a concept of all, only the concept of uses of mirror has been deleted. Detailed notification will be sent through your WhatsApp for your groups. Okay, na? And my work to you people, actually I have given the exercise question number 6, 7. Allah, 6 and 7 I have given to you. Please do it yourself. Those are direct questions and easy questions. And at 5 o'clock, I send the answer for that one. You just compare yourself whether it is true, whether it is correct or not. Okay, na guys? Okay, in Saturday, consider it as a mathematics class. Hope you are enjoying the online classes. Be safe, stay home. Bye-bye, guys.